finish this off. So again, took a little bit more work, milling all this. So I made the door. It's a custom door here. Using this top as storage for the winter, for the cushions. See, all this was a custom door I made and got the custom glass and everything. Made a little hanger here for robes. As you can see, this is the sauna. Pretty cold. Not too bad, but cold. 49 degrees right now. And then this is the control unit. I got a light inside with a dimmer. Darker, so you're not sitting in there in a bright light. So here is the sauna. Again, I had to put just a spring loaded so that you can so it never locks. You can always, if you're stuck in there, you can always push out. So there's a sensor on here. That's what this is. There's a small little sensor right here, and then a magnet so that it knows when the door's shut, so that this control unit won't let the heater run if the door's open. So I ran created flooring in here just so you're not standing directly on the concrete, and I sealed the concrete. And then there's a nice bench here, so it's 5.5 feet, so it's good for you. You can't lay down, but it's good enough for everybody else. So this came out really good as well. That's so. Here's the Huum heater. Had to run special electric or 240 volt to this, and it needed a special sealed high temperature conduit, as well as a sealed box, and everything's watertight. It shouldn't be any water, but every once in a while, when you're putting water on here, a little bit drips. So that's it. All came out. A lot of work, but really happy with it.